cooking apa?
Slowly we sieve through the egg. Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today I'm going to steam some egg for my daughter and her friends. My daughter can eat steamed egg almost every day. Okay, anyway, I have 4 eggs here because I have some visitors today. Some spring onion for garnishing towards the end. And I'm putting in some prawn. My daughter started to learn how to eat prawn recently. So how do we make the steamed egg toing toing, yeah, very tender? Actually, there's some very simple tricks. I'm going to show you right now. First of all, let's break all the eggs into one single bowl. Basically, we need to gauge the amount of the egg, yeah? The quantity of the egg actually. Because later we need to actually put in around 1.5 ratio of water. So I'm going to give it some very basic seasoning, a little bit of salt, and few dashes of white pepper. We're going to mix it. So from here you can roughly gauge how much is the egg, yeah? Later we are going to put about 1.5 ratio over of water. So let me see somewhere around here. Okay. Usually I agak, you can use a measurement cup if you like. That's even more accurate. Alright, then I pour the egg to another bowl and let me try to measure around a similar amount of water here, first of all. Okay, this is about 1 portion. Then I'll add another 0.5 portion. So it's like 1.5 times of water roughly. Right, 1.5 times the water. Agak lah. Alright, once you mix this, then we need to sieve the egg and move it into the steaming plate. Why do you need to sieve it? Because you want to, there are some particles here inside. Those you want to remove it. I don't know what you call it. So this is my steaming plate. And get the sieve, yeah? Slowly we sieve through the egg. It's not difficult at all. Right. See? There's something, I don't know what do you call that, there's something inside the egg here that we don't want, okay? That will prevent your egg become very smooth. So we just remove that. If you want to be more perfect, all these bubbles, you can actually take it out. Right. Then I'm going to put in the prawn. You can also put in the prawn halfway if you like. Appa's lazy, just put in from the beginning. You can send this to the steamer, but there's one thing, very important thing, which is you need to get something to cover your plate, yeah, your egg, so that it doesn't have direct contact with the heat. This is one very important, probably I would think this is the most important step that can actually make your steamed egg very smooth, especially on the surface. That is to prevent direct heat. Right, then you prepare your steamer to make it at least 100 degrees Celsius, and we are going to steam it for approximately 10 minutes. Already preheated. Actually, I'm actually currently steaming a chicken inside. Okay, then we can now very carefully put it in, right? And let it steam for 10 minutes. Then it should be done. That's how simple it is. Right? See how smooth and tender is the egg. So there's two things here. Oh, sorry. There's two very important things here. Number one, the amount of water, at least 1.5 times of the egg, that will determine the tenderness. And this is the kind of tenderness you're getting. Number two, using a plate to cover it so that it doesn't have direct contact heat with the steam, that will give you the beautiful smooth surface. Now that I think of, probably I should not add the white pepper too early because it will have this sort of thing. Yeah, this is actually the white pepper, but it doesn't matter. Still, it's going to look really good, taste really good. So now we're just going to very quickly make a sauce on top. First of all, I'm just going to give it some garlic oil. Right, a bit of garlic oil on top. And some light soy sauce. Some fried onion. And some spring onion. All right, that's it. That's how simple to prepare a very toing stick egg, yeah? And look at the beautiful smooth surface. Very simple. Okay, I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on the Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.